add, we can do have a lot of activities. So now our aim, our target is next plan. We are planning to do some kids education system. So we actually looking for space that where we can make a small kids center. So there is like a lot of fund also is required. So we will start an application for to getting a funding. So you always have to search for when you have a free time, search for funding, that which program we can do, and there is some funding. There's a lot of fund actually available, just we don't know how to approach. Like we have a lot of good sources, especially New York, I think New Jersey, Manda can find out that where we can go and look for the fund. Each county has a fund, like in Fairlawn County, our Paramus County, we do have a lot of fund is available. So if we can approach, and because this is our good source, we are not looking for money, right? Non-profit is not to earning a money. Non-profit is we are doing Sheba. So that is very important thing that we understand what is the meaning of non-profit. You know, if you are working and if you can raise the fund, if you spend your time, so we will appreciate for that. You can get from there that you are working, so you get the salary of that. That we will do one picnic. So make a plan for that. From our foundation joint venture, we'll do like we have a Texas people. We can do one over here in New York, New Jersey is a border, so very close. So we can selected one place. We were thinking to go to maybe nearby Bear Mountain is over here or something. So mainly all this activity done by Aisha. So most of the time Aisha's responsibility is a lot of responsibility, but we need to share that responsibility also. So we need a help. She cannot do by herself everything, right? And I'm like, I will just guide, but I will be involved with everything, but you cannot count me for everything. So everybody has their own responsibility. If we work, it's not now we participate $10,000. So now we have a good fund we have, and we'll bring the more funding. So, but we have to have a plan. Like you have to make a plan that okay, well, I have a plan. I want to do this. For to do this one, we need this kind of funding. So we will try to arrange that fund. So we'll do fundraising. We'll do small program. Aisha, they are very helpful. Aisha's husband Shobuz, he is a very good social worker, and now is a Shubho. Shubho is our best person now, best buddy. So they are very helpful. Our whole team is very helpful, right or wrong, right? And we love them. They are our team. So I don't want maybe some outside people will tell a lot of things to break our team, right? So if we are unit, I remember in 8th grade we maybe studied that that stick, that if the unit is together, nobody can break us. But if you give that 1 stick, it will easy to break, right? So always try to be in team. Whoever, whatever, who is going wherever, but we are team. So we have to keep as a team. So always will be as a team, and try to bring more of your friend circle. Bring more and more to join with them. So it will be very good for us, and it will be improve. Whenever you want to do the good part of in your life, this is now we are 60s time. So what happened? We want to do like give away things, right? So a lot of people may be misunderstood because of that our community culture, and a lot of people doesn't understand what is the meaning of donation or what is the meaning of to work, right? So maybe somebody did misunderstood that we was giving to the money to the people to do work, but we did not get any money from anyone that we are misusing. In the non-profit organization, you have to understand very clearly that in non-profit means you cannot misuse the money, right? Non-profit, every penny is get calculated, and every year you have to do clear accounting and pay the taxes. So that is very important. We never will do anything which is, especially me, myself, will never do that such kind of things that where somebody can tell about us that we are doing something mistake. That is our funding, and we will give it to it will carry on for next generation to next generation. That was our aim. So important thing. We definitely will support you. And as you know that I will put all my things in my foundation. So take it away, right?
We all are with you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Because the concept of this organization, Sarah conceived this due to her mother. So this is the memory of her mother, and Ma is everywhere. You all Ma's mothers. So this is foundation is for all of us. We all are mothers, and this is our foundation. So we will take this venture as a joint venture. This is your organization. This is her organization. So everyone is the part of this organization, and I would like to invite our president, Dr. G. Please come over here. We will give you a chance to obviously speak some words, but first, our president, because this is not organization for any community. This is for the South Asian, Bengali, Indian, Pakistani, whoever want to join. Ma is everywhere. Ma is in Spanish. Ma is in Rahila Firdaus. She is a well-known journalist from Pakistani community, and she is doing lot for the community. So Rahila Firdaus, the president of Ma Foundation. Ajay, namaskar.
Aisha.
Both sides, sir? The second position is vice president and Gemini. You all aware she is doing lot for the community and education. Manda
Prashant.
Manda Prashant, please come over here and take your badge from Dr. G. Pen on.
मेरा नाम ही बोलते हैं वो मंदा प्रशांत. They all call me.
No, America.
Manda
We don't say
Prashant?
last name. Manda, we don't say. We don't say last name.
Okay, and now the third position. And the most important, keep on maintain all the funds and money.
Bring the money for the community.
And now, last but not least, I would like to invite my boss, my brother, the president of Ma Foundation, Dr. G. So he wants to take few words regarding Ma Foundation. Dr. G.
Hello, welcome to everybody. This is the third venture for Ma Foundation in New Jersey State. My hometown, my place, more than a 30 year. So we welcome to all mothers for New Jersey chapters, and we introducing this one here to help to the people, to the humanity way, for healthcare, for education, and for the women's prosperity. America, we believe in equal opportunity, so we want the women on equal way. And the same way we trying this one in South Asia, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh is called South Asia. And we are promoting there also for the women's education, helping to the kids, some homeless, we trying to adopt, and that way we doing a lot of community service. For that this year, our First Aid Home Care donated $50,000 for Ma Foundation. So this is the thing. Just I told to someone that we are doing, particularly me, doing 100% non-profit, no interest, nothing, just only seva. So we helping to the woman, we helping to the mothers for anywhere who need help. We'll try to help them achieve some success goal, get some grants from the state or federal government. So we working with that one. Dr. Salma and Sarah, both they working that one, and we are introducing 3 new chapters, 3 people, and they will also help us, guide us, and somehow if not rose, we can do only petals. That is also for good for the people. Thank you.
Asian Women Association. So we can do, anybody can join. Is American also, or we can join. American Asian also are there. Everybody are welcome to join who need help. We wanted to, that has to be from your heart, from your inside, to give away something. So, and then even though $1, $5, $10, whatever you give, it's a giveaway, right? That one you give as a from your heart, but you don't know where it's going to be used. But you give, like a lot of people tell me, where you giving? Do you know that that's going to use proper way? Of course, it's going from my heart. So definitely it will go to that better place. So thank you so much. Thanks. So welcome the 10 new people in our group, in our team, and hopefully we'll work together and we'll do something better. So in 2026, let's do at least one job, that if we can establish a one education center, I think it will be, we are working on. So if you can find a one space, what we have to do, that if you can find a space, so
I'm Cami and I'm very grateful. Thank you for making me a part of the Ma Foundation and for giving me this opportunity. So I will try to be the best I can and be able to be in a position to help the needy. So I'm very excited and looking forward to help with the New Jersey chapter. Thank you.
Shazadi and GC for giving us this opportunity to help the helpless people and to help our community grow. And yeah, it is a new venture for me. I have no experience about this, but I'm looking forward to this, and I'm sure that I will do something for the community. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Shajati, JC, and Dr. Salma ma'am. And you know, I these people are my, you know, mentor, guide, friend, and everything. It's been many years, over I think 25 years almost. Yes, we are together, and they were always with me. So, and when anything I did, any venture, anything I did in my life, like having a second child or Toastmasters, or I'm trying to run for the Board of Education, they were always on my side. And they are the
So much welcome me this team. I'm really appreciate Miss Sarah ma'am and sir and everyone. So this is the first time I'm joining this Ma Foundation. I'm so learning so much stuff, that how the non-profit foundation work. I don't have a before idea. It's really amazing that people are like our community, especially the women, they are getting help from this foundation. It's really amazing me. I really appreciate for this step. Thank you so much for this. Thank you.
thank you.
To help the women from our Ma Foundation. Everyone knows that it's a non-profit organization and we will be looking for the needy people who need us so that we can help them from our organization. Thank you.
So another things also you have to do, like, you know, you have to find out that if anybody are suffering with their kids, or you know they need any kind of help, like a housing, shelter, and all those kind of things. So you can make a list, at least one person if you can help. I think that will be big help. Yeah. Okay, तुम दोनों एक साथ हम लोग दे देते हैं सबको. Right? So Board of Education. So she did for election to win the Board of Education, so she can help to the education system, to develop the education system. There's a lot of politics involved in this side. So, you know, we try to help her also. We did a lot of things. We knocked her door to door. We went and we helped that, you know, that to win the Manda. But unfortunately, we couldn't. But she got a lot of vote. You know, that's for true. That, you know, maybe next time she can be winner. And so this way also we want to do same thing. Dr. Salma, she is very active in society and active in community also. So we need this kind of people that who can do a lot of activity, like our Aisha. She is very active. She is very active in our society, and also, and then our in New York chapter, Aisha, Khanis, Kohinoor are the director, and we will join.